apart, brain on fire before the day can start. Too many voices filling my head, won't shut up, won't give it a rest. Every damn thought wants the final say, dragging me further every day. I'm not looking for some escape, just one damn second to separate. One more push and I come undone, always chasing, never done. Kill the noise, shut it down, I'm done carrying this around. Let it crash and let it fade, I don't know the world another day. Kill the noise, let it die, I can finally hear what's mine. One deep breath, I'm alive. Everybody wants a piece of my life, always moving, nowhere to land, trying to hold water in my hands. Maybe I don't need all the answers, maybe I don't have to chase forever. Maybe peace ain't something to find, maybe it's leaving the bullshit behind. Bit by bit the pressure breaks, I don't have to carry the weight. Kill the noise, shut it down, I'm done carrying this around. Let it crash and let it fade, I don't know the world another day. Kill the noise, let it die, I can finally hear what's mine. One deep breath, I'm alive. Tomorrow's waiting, it'll come when it comes. No point racing what hasn't begun. I'll take this moment exactly as is, no more fighting the life I live. If the chaos comes back around, it won't decide